tanggalin ang gloves ko.
Hindi ako makapindot.
Join the club.
Happy birthday, bro and Ate Glo.
Thank you, thank
Ako
you.
nga, hubad suot, hubad suot.
Gusto niyo, okay?
Mag-gloves, mainit. Mamaya na lang.
Saka sa 14 million viewers out there. Hello guys. Happy Monday.
Shout out again sa ating kaibigan si Ate Esperanza.
I love you and my chugong reply. I'd rather hurt you honestly than miss you with a lie. And who wants to judge you and what you see or do? I'm only just
Thank you very much. Kay what?
the seeds you release you.
Ayan, nagkakaliparan na. Salute.
Sometimes when we talk, the honesty so much, and I have to close my
Kanina, special.
head high. I wanna hold you
Sa younger natin, kailangan special.
till we
Yung pinakabata dyan. 18 again.
till I feel
Pagkatapos ng show mo ninang bedtime, wala nang lalabas. At baka si Piolo Pascual nag-aabang. Lintik yan.
be battling with my pride.
Pag nakita ko yung angkla nung sasabit ko yun.
Insecurity is so bad. I'm just another writer, still wrapped within my tune. In easy times, praise is fighter, still wrapped within my youth. It's sometimes when we talk, the honesty is so much, and I have to close my eyes, and I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till I fear in me subside. A time like to break you, it drive you to your knees. A time like to break you and hold you endlessly. A time I understand you, and I know how hard you try. I'll watch love what commands you, watch love pass you by. I think we drift up, still searching for a friend, a brother or a sister, but then a passionless again. And sometimes when we talk, the honesty is so much, and I had to close my eyes, and I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till I feel in me subside. Ayan. Happy birthday ulit sa aming nagwapuhang bro and naggagandang ate.